Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube without having to show your face on camera. I understand that so many people want to make money on YouTube. Some of these people get nervous when it comes to showing their faces on camera. As a matter of fact, I think this is pretty normal and it shouldn't stop you in any way from making money online or making money on YouTube. So we're going to be looking at two major ways you can actually go ahead and do this. One major way you can actually make money on YouTube is through AdSense. That's becoming a YouTube partner. Of course, this means you need to have up to 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and also you need to have accumulated up to 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 calendar months, which I think is a lot of work. It's achievable, it's possible, but of course it's a lot of work, and definitely is going to be more difficult for anyone trying to start a YouTube channel, someone who is a newbie without any experience whatsoever. But we are going to be looking into that, and also we are going to be looking into other ways of making money, or another way of actually making money on YouTube without needing to have up to 1,000 subscribers and accumulating up to 4,000 watch hours. But I'm going to show you some of the channels that I've actually seen that have done this very well. These channels, they do not show their faces on camera. The creators do not show their faces on camera. One of them is Far From Average. This talks about life. This talks about so many things. This talks about attraction. And you know, when it comes to making money online, you understand that you will do very well if you are in one of these three niches, talking about wealth, talking about health, and also talking about relationships. If you are solving any problems or providing content in any of these three niches, you could easily make money online. So let's just check out how much this channel is actually making from these videos. This is a website called Social Blade, and this actually gives you an idea of how much these channels are actually making from AdSense. So this is Far From Average. Let's check it out. And this channel actually has right now 1.26 million subscribers. If we check this out, Social Blade says the estimated annual earnings of this particular YouTube channel is somewhere between $8,000 to $128,000. So if we put it somewhere in the middle, that's going to be well above $60,000 per annum. And estimated monthly earnings is somewhere between $670 and $10,700. If we put that somewhere in the average, that's going to be well above $5,000 per month, and this is usually not very accurate. Most times the earnings would actually be way more than what is being shown here on Social Blade. Let's check the other channel, talking about Success TV, Success Secrets TV, and this particular channel has 1.07 million subscribers right now. Let's check out this channel. Success Secret TV. So according to Social Blade, this channel makes somewhere in between $4,000 to $63,300 per annum, which is very low in my opinion, and somewhere in between $330 to $5,300 per month. The average will be somewhere between $2.5K per month, which I think is pretty low for a channel that has over 1 million subscribers. Now we're going to be looking at, so this is definitely one way you can actually make money with YouTube. You need to grow the channel. You need to do that by consistently putting out content, consistently creating videos. One way you can actually create this kind of videos, because they don't even require that you put your face on camera. So one way you can actually create this kind of videos is just go on Google and then search for content. You can basically search for let's look at some of the type of content these channels are actually creating. Okay, you can see 9 reasons why 90% of millionaires invest in real estate. If we check out most of these videos, you're going to find out that these are actually clips, video clips you can go and get on websites like Pixels. This is Pixels. Here you can actually get videos, clips that you can actually put together and then put a voiceover on it to actually create a complete video. And you have free video editors you can actually use to create this type of videos. One free video editor you can use is OpenShot. OpenShot is a free video editor you can actually download on your Mac, on your PC, whatever the type of computer you use. You can actually download and use this to actually create videos. You can put clips and audio together to actually create a complete video. So all you need to do is get this content, go and search for this content on YouTube, like 9 novels every man should read. You can easily go on YouTube, search for that. You're going to get articles, so many of them that talk about this particular topic, and you can just go ahead, record your voiceover reading out this content, and then you can easily place this on video clips you get from Pixels, and then you have a complete video, you have a complete content you can actually upload on YouTube. And if you are consistent with this, it's actually easy to grow your channel. You are not going to grow to 1 million subscribers in one day or even in 1 month, but the success you're going to see if you're consistent will actually encourage you to keep putting out content and to keep growing your channel. Now we're going to get to the second way of actually making money that does not require you to have up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, and that is affiliate marketing. The good thing about affiliate marketing is you can still create content like this. One website where you can get ideas about the type of content you can create and rank easily for. One website like that is Answer the Public. So you can basically go and search for anything in any niche you are interested in, talking about making money online, talking about health, talking about dating advice and stuff like that. You can, let's say, how to lose weight. If we click on search, then you're going to get ideas on the long tail keywords that you can easily rank for even if you are totally new and your YouTube channel is brand new. You can easily download this to CSV by clicking on the download button, and then you have this, and then you actually have long tail keywords. It would basically be impossible for you to rank for how to lose weight on YouTube because this is actually very competitive, and because your channel would most likely be new, or you would most likely not have so much experience, it would be easier for you to actually look for longer keywords that you can easily rank for. The longer the keyword is, the more the chance, the greater your chance of actually ranking for that keyword. Let's check out some of these long tail keywords. One of them is can't exercise, how to lose weight. So this would be something like an alternative to how to lose weight without exercise. And as silly as it sounds, people are actually searching for this, and that's why you're actually getting this recommendation from Answer the Public. So you can easily look for long tail keywords like this that are longer than the usual how to lose weight, which is very short and highly competitive. You can look for longer keywords which you can actually create your videos after, and you can actually title your videos according to these keywords. Make sure you also put these keywords in your description and also in your tags, and then you can easily upload your videos. Do that consistently. Now, how do you now make money with affiliate marketing using this method? You can actually go to networks like ClickBank and go and search for offers on how to lose weight. ClickBank would pay you an average of 50% to 75% commissions when you actually make sales on this type of product. So you can just go and get your affiliate link, and then you can actually put your affiliate link in the description of your videos, and then there should be a call to action on your videos telling people towards the end of the video, probably telling people to click in the link in the description or use the link in the first comment of your video, and also pin the comments to the top of the comment section of your videos. That way people would actually see the link, and there should be a call to action that tells them, if you want to lose more weight, or if you want to do this or that, click the link, click this link, and you're going to be able to get more information on how to do that. And that would be your affiliate link. And when people actually click on these links and they buy through you, you get paid commission. So that's how to make money with affiliate marketing without showing your face on camera, and even without having an AdSense account or becoming a YouTube partner. Another way is by doing product reviews of products that are actually being launched day in, day out. And of course, this also involves you putting your affiliate links in the description of your videos, and also putting a call to action in your videos telling people to get more information by clicking on the link in your description. So that's exactly how to make money on YouTube without having to show your face. If you want to get detailed step-by-step guide on how I actually make money on YouTube on this same channel, doing product reviews for new softwares and products are coming out, check the link in my description. You're going to find a free training that actually shows you in depth how to go ahead and easily make money with affiliate marketing without showing your face on camera, using free traffic from YouTube. And also, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button. If you like this video, also hit the like button. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next. It's bye for now.